during a windstorm. So this is a natural thing that we see. What to do? Islam does not leave this unattended. There is a dhikr, as in Hadith 166. The Prophet ﷺ, whenever he saw wind blowing, he used to say,
اللهم إني أسألك خيرها وأعوذ بك من شرها.
O Allah, I ask you for its goodness, that is the wind, and I take refuge with you from its evil. Now, it shows you how much the Prophet ﷺ is connected to Allah Azza wa Jal, that he's asking Allah even for something that we see and presume it's a natural phenomena. Nevertheless, the Prophet ﷺ knows that this wind was sent from Allah. So he begs Allah to grant us from its goodness and to protect us from its evil. It can be a tornado. It can be a hurricane. It can devastate and destroy property and claims life. It can claim lives. So the Prophet is so connected to Allah Azza wa Jal that he is asking Allah and teaching us to walk on his footsteps.